Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Floorland, where we explore creative ways to make your home feel like a luxurious haven without breaking the bank. Today, we're looking into 10 ways to achieve a luxurious look for your home with budget-friendly design hacks. So, if you're ready to transform your space into a haven of opulence, stick around for some amazing tips. 1. Choose timeless furniture pieces. Our first tip revolves around selecting timeless furniture pieces. Opt for classic designs that stand the test of time. A neutral color palette for larger furniture items ensures longevity and flexibility in styling. Before we dive into the next tip, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fantastic home design tips. 2. Accentuate with metallics. Nothing says luxury like a touch of metallic accents. Incorporate gold or silver elements in your decor. Think picture frames, mirrors, or even a metallic coffee table. These small touches can instantly elevate the overall aesthetic of your space. Now, let's move on to tip number 3. But first, don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. 3. Invest in quality lighting. Lighting is a game changer when it comes to creating a luxurious ambience. Swap out basic fixtures for statement lighting pieces. Chandeliers, pendant lights, and stylish floor lamps can add a touch of sophistication without breaking the bank. Stick around for more tips, but if you're finding value in this video so far, share it with your friends and family. 4. Layer your textiles. For a cozy and upscale feel, layer your textiles strategically. Invest in plush throw pillows, luxurious blankets, and textured rugs. This not only adds comfort but also creates a visually rich and inviting space. Before we jump into the next tip, let us know in the comments which design hack you're most excited to try. 5. DIY art and statement pieces. You don't need a big budget for impressive art. Consider creating your own DIY art or repurposed thrift store finds. Large, statement pieces can instantly draw attention and add a touch of luxury to any room. We're halfway through our list, but there's plenty more to come. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. 6. Create a focal point. Every luxurious space has a focal point that commands attention. Whether it's a bold accent wall, a fireplace, or a stunning piece of furniture, make sure your room has a visual anchor that sets the tone for the entire space. Stay tuned as we unveil the remaining design hacks, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. 7. Embrace minimalism. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a cluttered space to achieve a luxurious look. Embrace minimalism by decluttering and focusing on quality over quantity. A well-organized and curated space exudes elegance. But wait, there's more. If you're enjoying these tips, consider sharing the video on your favorite social media platform. 8. Mirror magic. Mirrors are a budget-friendly secret weapon for creating the illusion of space and adding glamour. Strategically placing mirrors can enhance natural light and make your room feel more expansive and luxurious. We've got 2 more design hacks to go, so don't go anywhere. Hit the subscribe button and let's continue this journey together. 9. Play with texture. Texture adds depth and visual interest to your home. Experiment with different textures like velvet, faux fur, and leather. Mix and match these elements to create a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. Before we reveal the final tip, let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these design hacks in your own home. 10. Personalize details. Lastly, add a touch of personalization. Whether it's custom-made curtains, unique family photos, or handmade decor items, infuse your personality into the design. It not only adds character but also makes your home truly luxurious. And there you have it, 10 budget-friendly design hacks to achieve a luxurious look for your home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow design enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us today on Floorland. If you want more home design inspiration, check out our other videos linked here. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!